Hey crypto traders, let's talk about something that's changing the way people invest in digital assets. If you've ever felt like crypto trading is too complex, too risky, or just takes too much of your time, I have something that might just be the perfect solution for you. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest updates on AI trading, market trends, and the best platforms to help you grow your portfolio. All right, let's get started. The crypto market is fast-moving, unpredictable, and highly competitive. One moment, Bitcoin is skyrocketing, and the next, it's crashing. Trying to keep up with market trends and trade at the perfect moment is nearly impossible, even for experienced investors. That's where Immediate Neon comes in. This AI-powered platform is designed to help both beginners and seasoned traders capitalize on market opportunities without spending hours analyzing charts or making emotional decisions. And here's the exciting part. Right now, registration is free, but spots are limited. Click the link in the description, sign up in just 1 minute, and let AI start trading for you. But don't go anywhere just yet. Let's break down why Immediate Neon is getting so much attention and what makes it different from other trading platforms. If you've ever tried trading manually, you know how stressful and time-consuming it can be. Market movements are unpredictable, emotions get in the way, and by the time you react, you've either missed an opportunity or made a costly mistake. Immediate Neon eliminates that problem by using AI to analyze, predict, and execute trades with precision, without hesitation. AI scans the market 24/7. No breaks, no distractions, just constant data analysis to spot profitable opportunities before they disappear. Instant trade execution. No more second-guessing or missed opportunities. The AI enters and exits trades at the perfect time, securing gains faster than any human trader ever could. Real-time portfolio optimization. The system automatically adjusts to market trends, reducing risks and ensuring your investments are always positioned for growth. Emotion-free trading. The biggest mistakes in crypto happen when people panic, hesitate, or get too greedy. AI removes that entirely. It follows a data-driven strategy, meaning no emotions, no bad decisions. The result? More consistent profits and a stress-free trading experience. And if you're skeptical, you can test it out using the demo mode, completely risk-free. Here's something most traders don't realize. Every day you wait, you're missing out on opportunities. Not trading yet. AI is already identifying high-profit trades. Still trying to time the market? AI doesn't wait. It acts instantly. Watching charts all day? AI already made the trade while you were deciding what to do. The market moves fast, and Immediate Neon is built to react before human traders even notice the trend. The question isn't whether AI can help you, it's how much profit you're missing by not using it. Thousands of investors in Canada are already using AI to gain an edge in the crypto market. The only question is, are you going to join them or keep watching from the sidelines? Click the link now, sign up in 1 minute, and start trading with AI-powered precision. Your money should be working for you, not just sitting in your account. Let Immediate Neon do the hard work for you.